Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to reverse a video in DaVinci Resolve. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Reversing a video in DaVinci Resolve is a simple process that can create interesting effects or correct clips that were shot in the wrong direction. Here's how to do it. Firstly, open DaVinci Resolve and start a new project, or open an existing one. So I choose an existing one, then hit on open. Ensure that your video clip is imported into your media pool. If you hadn't done so, you can drag and drop the file into the media pool. Place the clip you want to reverse on the timeline. Then click on the clip and the timeline to select it. Make sure the inspector panel is visible. If it's not, you can enable it by clicking on the inspector button in the upper right corner of the interface. In the inspector panel, you'll see various options to adjust your clip's properties. Look for the speed change or similar. It might be a drop-down menu or a button depending on the version of DaVinci Resolve. Within the speed options, you should find a checkbox or a button to reverse the clip. Check this box or toggle the button to reverse it. Now, play back your timeline to ensure the clip now plays in reverse by clicking on the spacebar. Adjust any other settings as necessary to achieve the desired effect. Once you're satisfied with how the clip has been reversed, make sure to render your project to create the final output. DaVinci Resolve provides extensive control over video editing, so you can also combine reversing the clip with other effects to enhance your project further. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.